loading.
Okay.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. You have to write Python 3 in such way, in this way. Python without any space 3. Okay. If it is
Uh-uh.
not available,
Yes.
you have to give a command. I am texting you that install, let me find out, install Python 3 in Mac.
Actually, today's my Wi-Fi is not working
Okay,
full.
okay. Okay. So this is how that you can install your Python. Let me send you a command. Okay.
Okay.
That's one. Okay. I am sending you this link. Okay. This one.
Which
You can save it.
which one?
Just sending. Okay. Here is like install python3.com Mac. Okay.
I didn't get any.
Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, if you don't have Python 3, what you can do is you can work on Python 2. Not an issue. Okay.
Okay.
So you can go on a YouTube that how you can install Python 3 in Mac.
Mac. Okay, okay.
Okay, a command will be there in same way like I have. You can also search it here. Uh, this way, like X code select install, or either you have to install firstly you have to install Homebrew. Okay, once you got the
Okay.
Homebrew, by this Homebrew you can install your Python 3 by giving command this brew install Python 3.
Okay.
Okay, this command you have to hit your terminal. Okay, on your terminal, and after the terminal, after installation, you can hit like this one, Python 3. If after this Python 3 will be installed.
Okay.
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 So uh, now, yesterday we have discussed about the brief introduction about the Python versions of
Yeah.
Python. Okay.
Yes.
Now we have something like IDE. Okay, we have something like a IDE. So basically, what the IDE is, okay, let me write down that here. What the IDE is, mm, this one, IDE. Okay,
It's
IDE
not
stands for,
visible. Last page install Python 3. The last page you opened it is visible, but what you are writing right now it's not visible.
okay. Let me share my screen again. Now it is fine.
The last screen is now only the last screen is visible. Install Python 3. You search install Python 3 in Mac by command. That is visible. Nothing else.
So my terminal is not proper visible.
No. Google page is visible.
Okay. And I hope so there is some of how the internet issue from your side. I hope so. Because from my side it is properly working.
I don't know.
Hmm.
I can see that same. Now it's
So terminal is
visible. No, still no tunnel.
this, I have an ID. Is it visible to you?
Not, now, no, nothing is visible. It's written data science training meeting. No screen is shared.
Okay. The internet issue from your side.
Oh, I don't know what happened, but today my net is Wi-Fi not working, so using phone network.
Got your point. So
Mm.
you can rejoin again. I hope so. You can rejoin.
No, it's loading again. Screen is loading. Wait, give me a minute.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, it's not working. Let me rejoin the class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hello.
Yes.
It's loading. Yeah, it's visible. Terminal screen.
Okay. So in our terminal, let me write down here. We have something like a ID. Okay. We have something like a IDE.
Okay.
Okay. So what the basically IDE is? ID stand for okay.
Hmm.
ID stand for Integrated Development Environment.
Okay.
ID is my integrated development environment where we have to write code, where we have to give the instruction to my system. Okay,
Okay.
and if you have worked on a C and C++, there is an ID we were used in our last few years. That is our turbo. I hope so. You remember about the turbo? Okay,
No, I don't
turbo
remember.
or okay, so basically a blue screen where a window where we have to write down the code that is known as our ID, that is our integrated development environment. Okay,
Okay.
now for Python, for Python, we have n numbers of ID. Okay,
Okay.
n numbers of ID we have. So n numbers of ID we have, that as I said that Python is pre-installed in Mac. Okay, and Linux.
No, no, I
Okay,
didn't get it.
but
Break down. N number of ID. After that,
hmm,
I didn't get
hmm.
anything.
So I'm just taking that in our Mac and Linux, Python is pre-installed. Okay,
Okay.
but in other like a window, we have to install Python externally. Okay, how
Okay.
we can install a Python externally? There is an official website of a Python name as a python.org.
Okay.
Okay, so from this website you can install a Python externally if you are using Windows or any. Okay, now here whenever you hit a download option, whenever you are going on a download option, I hope my screen is properly visible to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Should I
so
search
here
it right now?
you can after class you can search it. Just I'm
Okay.
showing you the idea, the concept at here. That here
Okay.
that at download, okay, there is something like a Python 3.8.1. Okay, and here you can
Okay.
see that there is something for a Mac, Windows, source code, each and everything is there. That means that is the latest version, that is your 3.8.1. The current latest version of a Python, that is my 3.8.1.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now where see whenever you are downloading your Python from this site, python.org, okay,
Okay.
Python will be installed. Okay, and there is something like a idle also there. Okay, now what the idle is? Idle is basically IDLE. Basically, idle is your this one, mm, your IDE, where you have to write the code Python. It
Okay.
seems like this. Okay, it seems like this where you have to write the code. Okay,
Okay.
but as I said that we have n numbers of ID. Okay, we have
Right.
n numbers of ID available for Python. Okay, now this was the first ID. ID basically where we have to write the code of Python. This was the first IDE launched in the market, that is, we can say official ID of Python. Okay, and the first ID, the first one. This is the first one where we have to write the code in a Python. Okay.
Okay.
Now, in our current time, in our present time, we have a different numbers n numbers of ID available of a Python for the different purposes. Okay, you
Okay.
can either install